Are you nearing retirement? Are you already retired? Then chances are you have questions. And the number one question on everyone's mind is, how can I achieve peace of mind in retirement and not worry about running out of money? There are so many questions, but no place to go for answers. Until now, we can help you find all the answers to the questions that keep you up at night and provide the guidance you are looking for to navigate the stormy waters of retirement. At Insight Folios, we care about your future and well-being. That's why we are offering our Simplicitree Retirement Rescue Toolkit, a quick and easy method to plan your future retirement, avoiding high taxes and maximizing your retirement income. Experience a retirement lifestyle of abundance with financial clarity and peace of mind. Your kit is ready and waiting for you. Insight Folios. We look forward to hearing from you.